ICT and effect on learners. Information and Communication Technology or ICT has become an important source of innovation and improvement of efficiency for many sectors across the globe. The application of ICT has become a critical part of learning process for university students, both outside inside the classroom setting. So, ang sinasabi dito is ang regular na paggamit daw ng ICT sa iba't ibang paksa ng curriculum ay maaaring makapagdulot ng kapakipakinabang na motibasyon para sa mga pagkatuto ng mag-aaral. For university students, the implementation of ICT has become a vital part of the learning process, both outside and inside the classroom setting. In higher education, the introduction of ICT has revolutionized teaching and learning. Teacher trainees with diverse learning style are able to maximize their learning potential when teachers use ICT to promote their pedagogical methods. An essential outcome of ICT that learners their face may be more independent, analytical, and self-regulated. Dito naman is ang mga mag-aaral ay mas nakakagawa ng mga gawain at mas naipaparating ang kanilang nararamdaman gamit ang ICT or yung tinatawag nating Information and Communication Technology. So, they affect all component of life. Similarly, there is no doubt that ICT is causing a big change of the field of education. The influence of ICT on education should be known to us, and we should know the two basic things, the ICT and the education. And ICTs are dynamic changes in society. They are influencing all aspects of life. Similarly, there is no doubt that ICT brings a massive change in the field of education. It makes the teaching learning process effective and interesting. Knowing the impact of ICT education, we should do basic things, ICT and education. Dito naman is these technologies are used for educational purposes. In the particular to facilitate and encourage students and learning and to the design learning environments. As a subfield of educational technology, ICT it can be represented. The article examines the position and effect of ICT and how future growth and development can be promoted. Ang ICT o Information and Communication Technology ay isang uri ng akademyong asignatura kung saan kinapapalooban ito patungkol sa teknolohiya. Maraming mga mag-aaral nang humahaling sa strand ng ICT. Dahil na rin sa ICT na ito makakatulong upang mapalawak ang kaalaman ng mga students.
The summary of our topic is all about ICT and effects to learners. So how ICT affect the learners? ICT tools stand for Information Communication Technology Tools. The ICT tools means to digital infrastructures like computers, laptops, printers, scanners, software programs, data projectors, and interactive teaching box. The ICT devices are the latest tools, concepts, and techniques used in student to teacher and student-to-student interaction. For example, clicker devices, mobile applications, flipped classroom, for information and communication technology. So these tools, we use this for educational purposes, learning environment, and in our workplace, and so on and so forth. ICT can and will empower teachers and learners, transforming teacher and learning processes from being highly teacher dominated to student centered, and that this transformation will result in increased learning gains for students, creating and allowing for opportunities for learners to develop their creativity, problem solving abilities, formational reasoning skills, communication skills, and other higher order thinking skills. So sinasabi nga dito na because of the innovations of ICT, nagiging student-centered na ngayon. Kasi 'di ba yung mga students